Hey, you guys, look at Mommy.
Mackenzie, get real.
All right, back up.
Pull it back.
Or turn it around, and I'll go to the other side.
Come on, come to the other end. Come
Here.
on, Mom. Reel is ready. Okay, get him.
Look at you guys, hot rod hooligans.
Oh.
Come on, keep going. Come on. Push her in here. No taking legs off on the corners.
And
Kenzie, did everybody leave you?
You're gonna fall off of it.
Come on. Come on.